Hello, dear learners. Today we are going to talk about four-step formula how you can speak English. And today this is four episode Hover Talk. So let's start. I gonna share you the four-step formula how you can speak English fluently without any interruption. So first thing is that speaking. When you have chance, you should speak. Maximum people actually making this type of mistake. When they have chance, they don't speak. So you should focus. If you have chance to speak in English, you should speak in English. So first thing is there, you should speak in English. And you can say the lot of sentences. Suppose that maximum sentences coming in your mind. So I think you should speak alone. When you stay in alone and you are working on particular way, so I think you should mingling in your basic thoughts. So like speaking, suppose that you are thinking something, so you should speak. Second thing, role play. This is the very important role in your speaking. When you are playing the role of any person, so you should focus on your role and speak of your characteristics, and whatever you actually you perform in your role, you should speak. Role play is a very best techniques how you can learn English. Suppose that you are watching any episode, so you I think someone character like you, and you like any someone character, so I think you should focus on your character, who is your favorite. Then you try to mingling of that particular speaker, particular characters. So this is the role play. How you can role play when you speaking. Suppose that you speaking in Hindi and your friend try to speak in English, so you can also role play Hindi to English learning. And you just simple say this is Hindi and this is English. How you can translate your Hindi English sentences. And this is the third way how you can actually improve your English communication skills and improve your listening and your speaking English. So record yourself and listen. Record and listen yourself. First thing is that you should listen yourself. Then listen very carefully. If you record your video when you're speaking, then listen very carefully and grab the points and grab the knowledge from your video. Suppose that you are making a lot of mistakes while you're speaking. Don't focus on your mistake, you just focus on your improvement. If you're improving day by day, so this is the very wonderful and fruitful for you. If you are improving day by day, maximum people actually doing effort, but without consistency. If you are focus your efforts with your consistency, day by day you are improving, then you can see the huge difference in your personality after some times. So record yourself and listen very carefully. And this is the fourth step. And this is fourth step, engage yourself in conversation. Suppose that if any conversation don't take place at your place, you have lot of options in this world. If you are living in 21st century, so you have lot of options in social media and lot of apps and groups, WhatsApp groups, and also you can engage in social media platform, many free apps. You can easily connect to the peoples where maximum people actually conversation in English or Hindi. So Hindi to English easy learning, if you want to grab this knowledge, so I think you should find out the particular partners who actually can take place the conversation with you. If you really want to that type of particular partners in the group chat and also the audio call, so you should save this number on visible on the screen. Then you can easily talk how you can start your communication skills and how you can start your speaking without too much knowledge about the concept. Maximum people actually making this type of mistake, they are not take place of your actions. You should take action first, because right now if we are talking about the 21st century, there is a exist only if you are the fast mover. If you are first mover, Suppose that you are learning English before 2 months, but if anyone suppose that is starting English just before 3 days, so you can speak English in just after 3 days, after 2 days. So choose yourself and follow these all the steps carefully and listen very carefully this video, watching this video. Thank you so much watching this video.